In today's video, let's talk about how to discover new music inside of Pandora. Now, the typical way and the straightforward way of finding new music inside of Pandora is through the browse section, which as you scroll down, you're going to see different sections such as moods and activities, the top stations, as well as top artists. Now, as you start listening to songs, these sections will start to change and the songs that you are most interested in will start to appear. Now, another way of finding new songs inside of Pandora is starting a station. So you can just head over to one of the songs that you like so that you are able to discover more songs similar to that. As soon as you search up a song or even an artist, you do have the option, if you click on the three-dotted line, of starting a new station. You can either start a new station from an artist or from the song that you just selected. This way, the station will be added to your collection and will be visible on the My Collections list. So if you head over to My Collections, you will see all of the stations that you create. And this is also a great way of finding new music that you like and these genre that suit you inside of Pandora. So that's all there is for this video. If this quick guide video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more future videos just like this, make sure to hit that notification bell.